question is, where does the Ice Age fit? And the question is properly posed because it states that there's one Ice Age, which is the situation. And that would be in the post-flood world, because when it states in Genesis 7, chapter 11, that the fountains of the great deep burst forth, it's talking about two things. Water from the depths of the crust coming under great pressure, shooting forth up into the atmosphere, and also fountains of magma, and then when it hit the surface becoming lava. Same thing, just different name. And so we have fountains of very hot volcanic material and fountains of water. So the oceans that formed from the flood process were heated by these volcanic vents and flows of lava in the water, submarine volcanoes. And so with this warmed ocean water, there was to be a tremendous amount of evaporation of water into the atmosphere until the oceans finally cooled down over several hundred years. And so with all of this tremendous amount of water vapor in the atmosphere, we have the availability of water to precipitate and form either rain, ice, or snow. But that, in addition to the huge amount of volcanic ash produced by hundreds, if not thousands, of volcanoes erupting simultaneously in this total global changing, remodeling of the surface of the planet, along with clouds themselves, the water vapor clouds, blocking sunlight. So between the ash from the volcanoes and the clouds of water vapor, great decrease in the amount of sunlight to be able to reach the surface of the planet, causing the land masses to be rather cool. So when this very warm, water-laden air blew over the cold continents, then tremendous amounts of precipitation, forming snow, packing down to form ice. So that is the mechanism for the one and only Ice Age. Evolutionary scenarios trying to invoke multiple ice ages, originally 4, now up to at least 30, try to invoke what's called the Milankovitch cycle, involving the Earth's tilt with the elliptical nature of the Earth's orbit, and trying to get this to explain an ice age every 100,000 years, but it doesn't work. It just simply is not adequate of a mechanism to cause one, much less 30 ice ages to occur. So it's the single ice age, with the flood being the mechanism for formation.